Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Ford Fiesta. So this is a one-owner vehicle that's got full Ford service history. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, there's keyless entry, tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with heated front seats. The radio has CD player and Bluetooth, but there's also air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 123 horsepower. The car's done under 68,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.